Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today we're going to be putting together a wall unit. It's going to be a W1530. It's going to consist of your back, you're going to have your top and bottom deck, you're going to have your face frame, your door, and the only hardware you're going to be concerned about is going to be your hinges, and this is going to be for your door attaching to the face frame. So we're going to go ahead and get started on building this to show you how to properly build a wall unit. Right here we have our 1¼ screws. That's going to connect the deck to the back. Right here we have our 1/2" screws, and those are going to go through the hinge to our door itself. These we have the hinges that's going to go to the face frame to the door. What we have in front of us are the tools required to assemble our cabinets. We have our drill. We also have our staple gun. It's going to consist of 3/4 inch staples. We also have our brad nailer. It's going to be 1¼ brad nails. We also have the box cutter, so that way you could open up your boxes. And we also have wood glue. This wood glue is very important. It helps for the rigidity of the cabinets, and you're going to place this inside the dado of each cabinet. We have Mark here. We're going to start off with the side. He's going to apply glue into the dado. From there, Mark is grabbing the back of the cabinet, and we're going to set that in place. Once that's set into place, we're going to grab the bottom deck. Popped in place. Now we are going to screw that in with 1 1¼ screw. And we're going to repeat that process for the other deck. Now that we have that complete, we are going to grab our other side, apply our wood glue, and pop into place. And once we have this popped together, we're going to grab our brad nailer. Our brad nailer is going to have the 1½ brad nails, and we'll shoot that off. 4 brad nails per side will suffice. Now that we have our box together, we're going to flip it on its side. We're going to put some wood glue in the dado of the face frame. Once we have our wood glue inside those dados, we're going to go ahead and slide on our face frame. And once that's popped on, we will take our staple gun, 3/4 inch staples, and we're going to shoot from the inside corner at a 45-degree angle. You're going to have approximately 4 staples per side, and then 3 top and bottom. Now that we have our box built, we're going to grab our hinges, and we're going to place those onto our door. It's going to take 2 1/2" screws for each hinge. Now that we have that complete, we're going to put our rubber stops on. You will apply 1 for each outside corner, and you want to make sure that your door is free of any debris, so that way it adheres properly. Now that we have our rubber stops on, we are going to set our door onto the door frame itself. You will go ahead and see designated holes inside of the face frame. This is where our screws are going to be attached. So now that we have our cabinet complete, we could go ahead and put in our shelf pegs. You'll place them at the desired height, and once those are placed at the desired height, you will take your shelves and slide them into place. You'll want to make sure you have the finished edge facing you. Go in at an angle and let it fall into place. So that concludes our W1530. I hope this helps you out, and we'll see you on the next cabinet.